I got this lemon tree, and where is it? I was picking lemons the other day. Where is it? And I found these. Oh, bird eggs. I'm not sure what kind of bird it is. One of them's kind of different. It's kind of like speckled. But yeah. The mom and the dad are around here somewhere. They usually hang out in this plum tree right here. They always squawk at me when I come over. I'm not sure what kind of birds they are. They have like a beige, reddish underneath. Kind of like robins, but I'm not really too sure. So if anybody knows, let me know. The eggs are like tinted blue, maybe? I can't really tell. Tinted blue with brown spots. And the other one is like brown all over with white. I don't know. So, be cool when they hatch. Alrighty, later. Alright, got the. Whoop. I heard the bird. The birdie bird. So now there's, instead of 3, there's now 4 eggs. If I can see it. Right there. This is a lemon tree. Where are the eggs? They're there. They're right in there. There's 4 now. There was 3 the other day. And that is Mama. She's not happy. And I think that's the daddy. Where's Daddy? There's Daddy. Daddy. Mama. I think they're robins. So yeah, we'll see if they hatch, or when they hatch. If they hatch. There you are.